Let's see the first question, that is 5 minus 2 plus 1. So 5 minus 2. See here, for subtraction of 2 we don't have enough bits available at the lower deck of the abacus. So how we can subtract 2? So in today's video we will be learning one more small friend subtraction formula. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing great. Let's first understand what is small friend. Let me first tell you what is small friend. Small friends are the numbers that add up to a total of 5. For example, 2 plus 3 equals to 5. If we add 2 and 3, we get 5. We can say 2 and 3 are the small friend of each other. Okay. Now let's understand when do we use small friend subtraction formula. When we want to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4 which is less than 5 from a particular number where direct subtraction is not possible, as we don't have enough bits available at the lower deck of the abacus, but we have upper bits available with us. In those situations, we apply small friend subtraction formula. Today, we will be learning small friend subtraction formula for 2. When we need to subtract 2, as we see in the first example, what we have to do first? First, we will subtract 5 and then add small friend of 2, that is 3. So our formula will be minus 2 equals to minus 5 plus 3. Now let's solve these examples by applying this formula. Okay. Let's see the first question, that is 5 minus 2 plus 1. 5 minus 2. See here, for subtraction of 2 we don't have enough bits at the lower deck of the abacus, but we have the upper bits available with us. In this case, we can apply our small friend subtraction formula of 2, that is minus 5 plus 3. So minus 2 is minus 5 plus 3. Then add 1. Our answer is 4. Let's move to the next question, that is 6 minus 2 plus 5. 6 minus 2. We cannot subtract minus 2 directly here. Why? We don't have enough bits available at the lower deck, but we have the upper bits available with us. So we can apply this formula, that is minus 5 plus 3. So minus 2 is minus 5 plus 3. Then add 5. Our answer is 9. Let's solve the third question, that is 8 minus 2 minus 2. 8 minus 2. We can subtract 2 directly here. Again we have to subtract minus 2. Subtraction of 2 we cannot subtract directly, as we don't have enough bits at the lower deck, but we have the upper bits available with us, so we can apply that formula. So minus 2 is minus 5 plus 3. Answer is 4. Next question is 7 minus 1 minus 2. 7 minus 1. We can directly subtract 1, as we know that minus 2 is minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3. Answer is 4. Next question is 9 minus 4 minus 2. 9 minus 4 minus 2 is minus 5 plus 3. Answer is 3. Solve the next question, that is 17 minus 2 minus 2. 17 minus 2, again minus 2. Minus 2 is minus 5 plus 3. Answer is 13. Our next question is 38 minus 2 minus 2. 38 minus 2, again minus 2. Minus 2 is minus 5 plus 3. Answer is 34. Next question, that is 55 minus 2 plus 6. 55 minus 2 is minus 5 plus 3 plus 6. Answer is 59. Ninth question is 36 minus 2 minus 4. 36 minus 2 is minus 5 plus 3 minus 4. Answer is 30. Let's solve the last question, that is 66 minus 2 minus 4. 66 minus 2 is minus 5 plus 3 minus 4. We got the answer, that is 60. Remember one thing here, the only situation where we can use small friend subtraction formula is when we don't have enough bits to subtract either of these numbers on the lower side of the abacus on that particular rod, and also we have the 5 bits available with us. Only in such situations we can use small friend subtraction formulas. Okay. I hope this concept of small friend subtraction is clear to everyone. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get all the notifications of my latest videos. Thank you everyone for watching.